Hi you guys, and welcome to Bio 4, spring semester Bio 4. I am really excited to be able to be in person starting labs in February, so I'm really hoping we're getting there. This is my home skeleton. Last semester, students named it and named him or her maybe, Bonita. So this semester we'll have you also contribute some names, and the winner name will be the one that, yay, will win for my skeleton here. We always start with bones. So I'm really looking forward to the semester, as I say, especially in February when we get to be together, because that's going to be so much better. I think I've forgotten how to be in the same room, but we will do that. And check out Module 0. Check out Module 1. We're starting off, and the key to success here is to communicate with me, to come to office hour, and I'll have him gesticulating like this, and to also, raise your hand, come to office hours when I often sit here alone. So I need you to come and visit me. And any questions that you have, you can, through Canvas, send me a message or come to office hours and then we can chat. I'm actually going to be giving points for coming at least once to my office hour. Okay, you guys, nice to meet you, and I'll see you real soon. Thanks.